Money comes and goes, but if you have the education about how money works, you gain power over it and can begin building wealth. Most of the educational systems are not set up to teach financial literacy, so it's totally up to you to develop yourself. Building wealth will become easier and achievable if you learn to think like the rich and understand how the financial world operates. Never hesitate to invest in developing your mind. The single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. If it is trained well, it can create enormous wealth. You must know the difference between an asset and a liability and buy assets. Keep expenses low, reduce liabilities, and diligently build a base of solid assets. True luxury is a reward for investing and developing a real asset. The rich focus on their asset columns while everyone else focuses on their income statements. Start thinking like the rich and focus on building your asset columns. Keep in mind that real estate is a powerful investment tool for anyone seeking financial independence or freedom. If you get the opportunity to invest in real estate, take it. Try this. Connect with successful people in the business you are interested in and learn as much as you can from them.